Hi everyone, this is Gliza Made with Glee. In today's video, I'm participating in the Useful DIY monthly challenge hosted by Momdas Life Handmade and her co-host this month, Donna from CreArtive by Nature. They wanted us to do some sort of paper craft this month, and I'm not very good with paper crafts. I am more of a painter and definitely more of a thread crafter than I am a paper crafter. I don't scrapbook and stuff like that, but I do have cardstock and things like that, of course, in my craft room because I am a crafter. So here I just took 2 sheets of cardstock in 2 shades of red, and I've just kind of free-handed some petal shapes, and I'm cutting them out of both shades of the red. Now there are online templates for poinsettias and other flowers that you can just download and trace and cut out. I prefer, just because I'm lazy, to just draw my own little shapes really quickly and cut them out. So I went ahead and cut out all of my petal shapes from my 2 shades of red. I have more than enough petals to make about 2 different flowers, but I'm actually going to combine them. Instead of using just one color, I'm going to use both shades of red in one. Now we're also going to need a circle, which is going to be our base for our flower that we're going to set it up, and we're going to need some green leaves. And here again, I just took some green cardstock, 2 different shades, and free-handed just kind of drew a leaf shape, pointy leaf shape, whatever, a leaf shape. And again, you guys, if you want something more perfect and prettier and definitely more in theme to the actual poinsettia, feel free to look it up online and go ahead and trace a shape that way. But like I said, I'm just going free-handed and cut out my leaf shapes. So once I have all of my leaves and my petals cut out, it's a matter of assembling my flower. And you can use hot glue, you can use any sort of glue of your choice. This is a paper craft, so something as simple as Elmer's glue is fine. But I'm using Aleene's because that was what I have in my craft room. So now I'm just alternating the shades of green and creating the base of our flower. So I've glued all of the leaves around, and now it's a matter of the petals. And here I'm just cutting little slits in the bottom to create an indentation so that some of the petals can stand up and have a little bit more dimension while others can lie down. And again, I'm just alternating all the way around to create my flower shape. And this is pretty simple and easy to create as big of a flower as you would like, with as many or as little petals as you would like. And of course, you know, you can make this any color combination, white, you didn't have to do red, and you can make it as big again or as small as you would like. So really simple and easy to put together this part of the flower. And once we did that, we have to address the center. Now I'm gonna go into my craft stash and grab things that I have, but I'm gonna recommend that you guys, use beads, paper, tissue paper, anything that you have on hand that you want to put in the center. You can certainly do that. I mean, you could just like crumple up little pieces of tissue paper and paint them yellow and put them. Here I have these like flower shaped beads, again, stuff in my stash, and I'm putting that in the center and then adding the little yellow beads on top of that. But again, anything that you would like, you can put in the center. You can put some glitter, just pour glitter down in the middle and call it a day. But I'm just using things I have again in my craft room, hence the floral shaped beads and the yellow ones. So once that is in place and it's all set up, it's pretty much done. So this is the first part of my project. Of course, here you go, paper flowers, so we can call it that. But I decided to go a little bit further, and I have an empty cardboard box, and again a little piece of that leftover contact paper from another DIY. It's the wood grain type, and I am just going to cover this box with the wood grain paper to create Yep, a shelf. So this, I guess, is the useful part of my DIY, because I don't know how useful decor really is other than being pretty and helping brighten our environment and our space. But this is actually going to be a shelf. Now, you cannot put very heavy things on this particular shelf, but you can certainly put lightweight items, a tea light. I rested my glasses on them, my spectacles, and they were fine. Nothing happened. So lightveight things, maybe a little pen, possibly even your cell phone you could possibly put on the shelf. Just not a lot of things and not heavy things. So I covered the entire box with the paper, and that's pretty much my little wood shelf. And to attach this to the wall and hang it up, I'm going to use pipe cleaners and make 2 little loops and attach that to one side, which is going to be my back. Now, I also decided I wanted to make this look like, like a real wooden shelf with a little doily on it. And again, there's so many ways, and I could have just made this a sign, put the doily in the center and hang it up on the wall the way it is, like wall art. But I'm going to be using it, like I said, as the form of a shelf. So I go ahead and hot glue my little hangers on both sides, and then I decorate it with my paper doily. I just put a little hot glue so it sticks, and fold it over so it hangs over, and then I glued on my flower on one side, and that's pretty much it. So I have a little shelf. So I hope you guys like my useful DIY paper craft project. Thank you, Momdas Life Handmade, for these fun collaborations every month, and her co-host Donna from CreArtive by Nature. Sorry, Donna. I will be leaving both of these ladies' channels, links to their channels, in the description box below, as well as the playlist, so that you can get some great paper craft ideas. Thank you everyone for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. It's completely free. Please do it. Thanks again, everyone. Bye, and have a wonderful day.